Okay, uh, so today's 11th of May. That is the controller of PlayStation. Which PlayStation is that? PS4. And the problem we had with this was that the controllers were not actually working. Those ones here and here, they were not working. So when you are trying to go up, so it kept on going up and it was not stopping. So what we did, we took the board out and we have actually replaced those things on it. So I just thought I'm gonna make a quick video. These are the old ones, so they were faulty, so we took them out and put the new one on. So I'm gonna show you how we took them off. There you go. Alright, so these are the old ones. I'm checking, maybe we can fix them too. So that's how we took them off. They were still in a pretty good condition, not been melted or anything. Probably can be reused. That's why I put in alcohol to clean them. So the new ones were available on internet. So this video just to check that, you know, if it's been soldered properly, taken off properly, put them back on properly. So I'm gonna make another quick video when we just completely assemble this thing, and then we're gonna check that if it's working or not. So if you have any device like this, do let us know and we'll fix it for you. Right, okay, so now we're gonna check this controller if it's working or not, and let's see if it's connected. It's connected, and it's working okay. Yeah, buttons working as well, clicking, everything okay, perfectly fine. It goes blue wherever you touch, right? Both controllers working fine as well. So this is it. It was not working before, it's been fixed. And then if you have any device like this, give it to us and we'll fix it for you. Cheers, thank you very much. Okay, so another quick video regarding this PS4 pad, joypad, and then you're gonna see that if it's working okay or not here. Does it play game, any sort of games? All the keys working fine. Awesome. So this is the problem. So the faulty one we still have in this. So you're gonna see that if we can do something about them. So just quick video regarding just test all the functions of this joypad. Yep, working good. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any device like this, do contact us. Cheers, thank you very much. Bye bye.